want to keep up with the latest Chris Barter First videos, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and click that bell, and don't forget to subscribe. What is going on, guys? Chris Barter First here. We're back at Stormworks, and yes, folks, we're back once again. And you're probably wondering, what the heck are you doing up in the Arctic, Chris? You never come up here. Well, folks, it's time for a little something. Now, we got a big old ship here, and this is another oil tanker, by the way. I thought we had not done oil tankers in a long time, so I thought we'd bring another one back to the channel. This one looks pretty dang cool. I like it a lot. I like the color of it. I like the style of it, you know. It's definitely one of the weirdest looking tankers I've seen, but, you know, it works, you know. It does what it needs to do. And wait a minute, is this a tanker or what is this? Yeah, I think this is. Yeah, it's a tanker. It's definitely a tanker. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Yeah, it is a tanker. Okay. Well, I also did something a little different this time. It's actually getting closer to night. So yeah. So we should probably get this thing moving, and I have crew down there, so we're gonna go down there and meet the crew. We're gonna get everybody up aboard, up on top of the bridge. So yeah, we're gonna get that going for us. So it's empty, but we're not gonna load it up. So get everybody up here. There's no wait a minute, where's the bridge at? How am I gonna get up there? Alright, how do you get up there? No, that probably leads down an engine room. How do you get up to the bridge? Oh, here we go. Wow, that's actually really confusing at first. Wow, okay. So we're gonna get everybody up there as soon as we can. Come on, guys. Follow, 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 follow. Are you guys good at using ladders? I really hope you guys are. Yep. 1, 2. Okay. Are you guys good at using stairs? This way, guys. Come on in. You guys are my crewmates for today. I'm your captain. I'm your captain. I'm your captain. So I'm feeling. I probably should not be singing that song. Probably because, yeah, that is probably copyrighted. I didn't think of that. Oh boy, I'm stupid sometimes. Alright, so sit. Stop following. You can stop following me. Okay. Alright, we're missing someone. I had way more crew. Come on, you guys. Follow me. I'm your captain today. I'm getting closer to my home. Oh, well, why am I singing that? I shouldn't be singing that. That is probably copyrighted. Yes, that is my favorite song, but yeah, I shouldn't be singing that. I don't know what's wrong with me. Alright. Let me go log up. So, I'll have to get you guys assigned. We'll get you guys assigned to stations as soon as possible. Alright, so you guys, so who's gonna be my little navigator here? I'm thinking you can be my you can go ahead and be my navigator. So come on over here. You can stop following me because I'm going to assign you to something else. So you got your station. Where am I going to put you at? We should probably get the lights on in here real quick. So, oh, nope, that's horn. We don't need that. Monitors, heavy light. Shouldn't be hitting that. Deck lights. Alright. So, the lights are now on in here. Okay. So, you can follow me. I'm going. Someone's gonna have to man engine room. I think that is going to be your job. I think that's where you're going to go. So, engine. This is an engine. Is this the engine room? No, I don't think so. Is this the engine room? Huh? Yep, this is the engine room. So you're gonna go down here, my friend. Alright, see you guys. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Okay, we're gonna need 2 people down here. Okay, to man this engine room. Oh no, it's nuclear. I didn't know that. Holy crap! Oh boy, yeah. That's bad. If that room, okay, let me just get something straight. If that room gets hit, that's going to be really, really bad. Okay, you can be our second crewmate down here. So you can go ahead and go down there. I'm going to send you down. Down here. So we ain't going to depart probably till dark. This is going to be something. Okay. Weather's supposed to get nasty tonight, but I don't think it's gonna be that too bad. Okay, I should probably not start this up yet until I get everybody to the areas. I didn't know that engine room was a nuclear. That's kind of bad. I'm not good with these kind of things. Alright, you can just be down here in... I'm gonna need a couple people out on deck. So what I'm gonna do is you're gonna be right here. You're gonna be right there, okay? And you, my friend, are going to go ahead and follow me down here. So I'll have 3 people in the engine. So I'll have 2 people in the engine room. I'll have 2 out on deck, and I'll have 1 in the bridge with me. As I'm trying to, we should probably get the spotlights on, as soon as we get out of here. So, because it is a little bit dark, so I'll have you right there. So that's you taking care of. What is this? Oh, that's 2 lifeboats. Okay, so we're gonna have to know how to use those in case we get into an emergency here. There is potential that might happen. So our goal is, I'm gonna have to zoom out here. So Google map. We gotta get it all the way down. Here. That's where we're going. Yeah, that's far. Yeah, you, my friend, can be down there. And then I'll have to go back down to the engine room and get that all set up. This is gonna be a great time. Holy man. Why do I have a funny feeling this is gonna go horribly wrong? I just sense that. Like, this is gonna go really, really bad. Anyway. Alright. So that's everybody on deck that needs to be on deck. We're gonna go ahead and get the spot. Ma'am, I asked you to go down here and stay down here. I'm your captain. Remember that. You're not gonna follow me. Okay? Perfect. spotlight needs to go on. There we go. 2 spotlights are on. We probably should head back up towards the bridge here. Oh, before we do that, we need to head down to the engine room to get the engine fired up here. And then we'll head back up towards the bridge. Alright, activate right pump, left pump, controls, insert fluid run. Okay, that should be everything. So I'm gonna wait. I'll see you guys when we get this thing fired on up. You can see a bubble in there, which is kind of cool, I guess. And yep, the temperatures are gonna go up. Alright. We'll see you guys when we get this thing rocking and rolling. Alrighty folks, the engines have started. We are ready to cruise on out of here. Alright, we're on our way here. Okay, so again, we're supposed to be going that way. Alright, let's get this thing up and let's get rocking and rolling. Okay. So I don't think our ship's gonna finish over that. Okay, guess we're gonna have to go around all this. Oh, I didn't think of this. I didn't think that out. Now did I? No, I sure didn't. Alright, we'll see you guys further out. This is gonna be great. Alrighty folks, we are headed out. Now, as you guys can see, the weather has picked up a little bit. And I have to say, this is kind of gorgeous and scary at the same time. And it is getting foggy a little bit, which is kind of scary because I won't be, if it gets really bad, I won't be able to see anything from here. So, I'm hoping we'll be okay. I'm going to go ahead and make sure everybody's okay. As we go along here, make sure they're not freezing up there. But we do need somebody to hold on for dear life. I mean, make sure the deck's all clear. Make sure everything is running good. As you guys can see, our crewmates are doing just fine down there. So yeah, I guess we shall see you guys further out to sea. Alright folks, as you guys see, the weather is getting worse out here. I can hardly see out in front of me, and yeah, this is not, like, our crew members are still doing well, but they're holding on for, they're doing their jobs, but make sure the ship's all good. But this weather, man, I don't like dealing with it. Alright folks, we'll see you guys further out to sea. Alright folks, this is just terrible what I'm dealing with right now. I can't see a dang thing in front of me. And there's all kinds of ice. Wait a minute. Oh, get away from that. That's bad news. That's bad news. Get away from that. Uh-oh. Dude, I'm getting pulled in. I'm getting pulled in. Yo. No. Oh, wait. Oh. I can correct this. We might be able to still save this here, folks. Come on. Oh, this will. Oh, no. No, they They better hang on for dear life. I'll tell you that right now. No, what this is unnavigatable. I'm gonna have to clutch down. I'm gonna have to get out and get them. I'm gonna have to bring them in. It's just too unsafe right now for him to be out there. Alright, guys. I'm coming. Listen, if you make a mistake, I'm not coming back out here. Oh, wait. Yep, that's great. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Listen, if you guys don't hurry up, yeah, I'm not coming back out here. Alright, you two. Oh, dude, no. You guys, in here. Oh, flying out loud. You guys, wait a minute. Where's the person that I had on my shoulder? You stay right there. Oh, shoot. No. Alright, down, right here. Oh, no, you're in very big danger right now, young lady. You might want to come with me. Yeah, I'm your captain. You better come up here if you know what's good for you. This is way too unsafe right now for anybody to be outside. You're just much safer out here. I need to get back to the bridge as soon as possible. You guys stay right there. There could be something out there. I don't know. Oh, that's bad. Where's the first button? Oh! Yo! What the frick? Oh, there goes General Alarm! General Alarm's on! Oh, shoot! How I do that? Ow! Ow! Yo, there's a Megalodon! There's a Megalodon! There's a lot of damage. Continue. We just got a lot of damage on the ship right now. Holy man! Let's continue. Oh, this is not favorable. This is just not favorable at all. Dude, we got a big hole in the side of the ship right now. Holy man! Alright, let's hang on for dear life. Alright, we can still make it to our destination if we don't get hit no more. I gotta make sure everyone is alright. Is everyone alright down here? I gotta go check the engine. You know what that is? Not a good idea. There's a meg after it. The terrorist shows a megalodon. Just pound the side of the ship just now. What's going on? What's going on? Oh shoot! Oh no! Back away! Hey, no! Reverse on! No! Oh! Hang on! Hey! Get away from me! Come on! Reverse on! I hit reverse. It just gave. Oh, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage right there. Oh wow. Okay. No. I'm a good captain. I know I am. See, this fog is not good. Oh! god. I should probably stop this ship and go down below deck. Oh, he's after us. He's after us. Oh, 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 okay, okay, okay. No, we got more damage. No, I need to get these breakers back on. Are we still going, or are we damaged? Dude, I have to go down there and go down to that engine room. I don't care what anybody says. What is going on? Is there any bit of water down here? Oh. Like I said, if he hits that room, we are done for. Did he hit this room? I need to go down and raid. How you guys doing down there? So where's that damage at? Oh, okay. I need to. I'm gonna teleport back up here real quick. Where's our waypoint? Oh, there it is. It's so hard to steer in this. I'll see you guys further out to sea. What was that? Stop the ship! Stop the ship! Stop the ship! What was that? Come on, guys, we gotta go. We gotta go. I cannot go back. I'm so sorry. I don't think the one they're probably dead. There goes the general alarm. Okay, we need to look at the ship. Oh no, we're capsizing! We're just capsized! Come on back. You're so screwed! Come on back. Come on back. We're screwed! There's never what we can do. We're completely stuck in here. Oh! No! No, I gotta go. That was so Dude, the ship just capsized. Dude, it's taking on water. It's sinking, dude. Well, folks, that is the I got someone. I was able to save this one person. Come on, help! You should hear the general alarms on that ship going off right now. Dude, it's just totally capsized. gonna go down. It's just gonna sink now. Dude, you heard the explosion on that thing. That's crazy, dude. Wow. I'm worried I'm gonna get bit by a shark. Look how fast that thing's going down. It's literally sinking. Well, I mean, look, it's just going down to the bottom now. It's filling up with water. It capsized and now it's filling up. It's sinking. It is literally sinking right now. I need to get up. I'm going to try to get up on top of the ship. Oh, no. I didn't want to get trapped down here. I didn't want to get trapped down there. Come on, up. Oh, dude, that was close. No. Alright, there we go. Now, I'm trying to get up on the ship. Come on, more. There we go, I'm on top. Holy man. What was once the deck is now the ceiling. Look at that. Oh, no. Well, I guess this is how it is. Them crew members in there are probably, most likely dead. Oh yeah, this thing's sinking real fast. It shouldn't be going down that low in the water. It really shouldn't. It should be more buoyant than this. Well, this is how it goes. This is how it ends, folks. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, because I know that was kind of creepy. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the water in there. Yeah, it's filling up. It's going down. I'll just change the letter, but wow. Ship must have lost power because the general alarms went off for a little bit. Yeah, you can see how low it went down into the water. It's going down. Yeah, just look at the water just in here now. Well, that's just how it goes. It would have went down, but that's great. And look how big these waves can get. Well, folks, turn it back up to horrible weather conditions. I know my nose. Well, folks, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode of Stormworks. And if you guys did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And until next time, I guess we will see you guys next time on Stormworks. Thank you. Peace out, guys.